Hi guys, today I will show you how to call Globe Hotline using keypad number. Let's call it.
Thanks for calling Globe. We're here to make it easy for you to get the help you need.
On April 1,
Starting April 1st,
2024,
2024, rewards will no longer be
on
available
Monday,
using *143#sign. Download the Globe One app now via Play Store or App Store to continue redeeming your favorite rewards, plus discover new and exciting offers. If you want to report an issue with your internet connection, calls, or texts, press 1. If you need to buy load, register to promos, track data usage, report issues, and more, press 2. Then we'll send you the link to download our mobile app. If you are calling for your broadband
press the
account,
3.
press 3. Please enter your landline or account number.
1. Press star and press pound.
Sorry, the number you've entered is invalid. Please try again. Please enter your landline or account number.
1.
You have entered 1641-6846-94. If this is correct,
Press the
1.
1.
Otherwise, sorry, the number you've entered is invalid. I'm sorry, but I can't proceed with this call. Goodbye.
Now successfully to use keypad number. Goodbye.